Starting with my yogurt sauce. I'm not gonna make a traditional or authentic pita sandwich. I'm not using cucumber in my sauce. I am actually making a pita turkey burger. Starting with the sauce so I could set it aside in the refrigerator and let it set for a bit. And it's pretty simple. I'm going to be using some purple onion, some fresh garlic, fresh dill, salt and pepper. Some sea salt, just a pinch. Black pepper, my diced purple onion, my fresh dill and fresh garlic, give it a nice mix. The dill, the garlic, you could already smell it. It smells so good in here. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna toss a top on here, put it in the refrigerator, let it set, and it's gonna taste even better. Let's get to working on these pita burgers. Plain ground turkey patties. They're already made for you and ready to make some burgers. A little bit of pan spray. Going to put the seasoned side down. Now I'm going to season this side with the same thing. So I'm just sprinkling on some of this smoky applewood Grill Mates. You could season your patties however you like. But I just really felt this is going to go good with the yogurt and the pita. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle a bit. Not too much, just enough for taste. A bit of pepper. Sprinkle of sea salt. Turkey burgers are really lean, so I like to spray the top a bit with some cooking spray. Flip my turkey burger, and that nice char right there, that's all goodness. I already warmed my pita bread up on the open flame on my gas stove so I could puff it up a bit. And now all we gotta do is fill it. Slice it right here just to make it easy. Take that part, set it aside, and let's open this up. Nice and gentle. There. Now I'm going to put my greens in. And I think I'm going to put a little bit more. How about that? I'll put all of them. I didn't put much in here. And should I put the sauce on? You know what? I'm going to put the burger in now. It just feels like the right thing to do. Because I have this as a layer for the bottom and it's not saucy, so it's going to hold up with all the other stuff I'm going to put in there, I guess. You know what? Let's just load it up. I think adding the sauce now on top of the peppers is going to be really good. So I'm going to go ahead and put some sauce in here. Ruin my fajita there. I think that's enough. Tomato. These pita turkey burgers came out delicious. You could toss whatever you want in your pita. How about a turkey burger? Try this out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next upload.